so small and shy, sitting in a nest way up high. She flapped her wings, but stayed so still. I want to fly, I know I will. Fly, fly, little bird, up above just like you heard. Flap your wings and touch the sky. You were born to soar and fly. Mama said, just try today. The wind will help you on your way. She took a breath and gave a peep, then jumped out strong with one small leap. Fly, fly, little bird, up above just like you heard. Flap your wings and touch the sky. You were born to soar and fly. Ooh. Flipped and zoomed, she twirled with glee, over flowers, fields, and trees. Now she sings from way up high. I'm a bird and I can fly. Fly, fly, little bird, now your voice will soon be heard. Flap your wings and sing with cheer. The sky is yours, there's no more fear.
Bye bye. Like and subscribe.